number 1. Lalakad, magmumodel muna po. Tapos, lalapit ko po yung mic. Magpapakilala.
Hello, good evening. I'm Marilyn Altisa from Kamiing, Kabanggan, Zambales. And nag-iwan po ako ng motto, time is gold. Gold po ang ating time, kaya gamitin po natin ito para sa kapurihan at paglilingkod sa Panginoon.
Joke lang to naman.
Bana.
Po, I am Christine Joy de la Cruz Dizon from Kabanggan, Zambales. And I believe po, naniniwala po ako sa sinabi ni Sister Manilyn. Yes po, time is gold. So if you want my time, give me gold.
Hello everyone, my name is Eden Takina. My motto is wala. Charot. Hello everyone, pangalan ko po ay Estrella Mardia Lupe. Ang motto ko po is maging siga!
Good evening, God is good. My name is Danica Garcia from Kabanggan, Zambales, 24. Naniniwala ko sa kasibahan. Hindi lahat ng masipag nanay may ate rin. And thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mrs. Marjorie Manalo Dakinag from Palawig, but right now I will be living in Maloma. And I believe in the motto of the beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and so God gave me this beauty.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Faye Rosie Timbas from Maloma, Philippines, Zambales, 18 years old. And my motto is, mas maganda kapag